Ready to ditch the traditional route and find cash buyers for your wholesale deals lightning fast, all thanks to the power of Zillow? First, head over to Zillow and enter the location where you have a wholesale property. Let's say it's Phoenix, Arizona. Type that into the search bar. Next, refine your search by clicking on the For Sale drop-down menu here. We're going to adjust the filters to pinpoint properties most likely bought with cash. Set the days on Zillow to 30 days or less. Cash buyers often jump on deals quickly, and a short listing period suggests a fast closing. Now click Sold. Filter sold in the last 3 months. Then filter price ranges from $50,000 to $250,000. These filters allow you to identify investors who are actively buying properties. Analyze recent sales in your target area by clicking each one. Click on the agent's name. You can find their direct contact and a listing of their recent activity. Scroll to the bottom. Many agents list their websites and previous transaction history. Investors may have a pattern or certain buying behavior that can present an opportunity. Finally, leverage platforms like LinkedIn to connect with agents who handle a high volume of transactions, and attend local real estate investor meetups to solidify your network and close those deals.